I am Himlata Beth and today's subject is English 1. This is your grammar book and today we are to begin the very first chapter of this book. So let's get started. The first lesson is about vowels and consonants. Students, do you know there are 26 letters in English alphabet? And among them 5 are called vowels. Among them 5 letters are called vowels and other letters are consonants. What are vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowels in English. Why do we call them vowels? Why? When we pronounce A, E, I, O, U, there is no force, no problem against our airflow. We can say them very smoothly. Okay? That is why they are called vowels. And in sounding the consonants, there is always a force working against our airflow. That is why they are called consonants. Today I will tell you about some singular nouns and plural nouns. I will discuss it broadly in my next classes. But nouns can be of two types, singular and plural. Singular means only one in number and plural means more than one. More than one in number. Another, nouns can be of two types, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are the names of those things, those words that can be counted. We can count them. That is why they are countable nouns. Example, girl, boy, chocolates, dusters, table, chair, birds. Okay? The things you can count are called countable nouns. The things you can count are called countable nouns. On another, uncountable nouns cannot be counted. Can you count hair? How many hair? No. That is why we use hair is. Hair is a singular noun. Okay? We cannot count them. We cannot count water. We cannot count sugar, salt, sand, air. Can you count them? No, right? So these are called uncountable nouns. Am I clear? Now I will tell you about articles. Okay? There are two types of articles. One is indefinite and another is definite. Indefinite articles are a and an. A and an are the indefinite articles. Okay? They do not point out any particular thing. And the definite article is the. And there we are pointing out to a particular thing, a particular place. Okay? So this article the is used when we say something special, something particular. Okay? And now I will tell you the rules to put a, an or the in sentences before the words. Where do we put a, an or the? The first rule is a is always used before a consonant. What are consonants? As I told you before, except 5 vowels, every letters in English alphabet are called consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H in this way. But A, E, I, O, U are the only 5 vowels. Okay. So the letter A is used before a consonant. Example, cow. Cow, this word starts with the letter C and C is a consonant. So dash cow, what will be? Consonant. Before consonant we have to place A. A, cow. Dog. D-O-G, dog. Dog. This word starts with the letter D and D is the consonant. So before consonant we have to put A. So number 1 rule is A is used before a consonant. Second rule is an. An is used before a vowel. An is used before a vowel. What are vowels? A, E, I, O and U. When the words start with the vowel, we have to put an before the words. Example, I. E, Y, E. I. So here we have to put an. Clear? Third rule. There are some vowels when they sound like U or WA. U or WA. Then we have to put A, not an. I repeat my line. There are some vowels when they sound like U or WA. We have to put A, not an. Example, uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. I repeat the word uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. This word is starting with the vowel U. But if you pronounce it, the sound is uniform. U. So that we have to place A, not an. Okay. In this way, European. European. E-U-R-O-P-E-A-N. European. Though the letter E is a vowel, but the sound is like U. So we have to put A, not an. Our fourth rule is where a consonant sounds like a vowel, we have to put there an. Okay. I repeat my line. When one consonant or any consonant sounds like a vowel, we have to put there an, not A. Example, M-A. M dot A. When you say M, the letter begins with the vowel sound M, M, right? So there we have to put N, not A. Although the letter M is a consonant, we cannot put A. We cannot put A. We have to put N before MA because the sound M starts with a vowel sound. Okay. In this way, I will show you some more and more examples written in my copy, and I hope it will surely help you. Now, I will tell you the articles, the indefinite articles a and an can be used, only used. Okay, they are only used with singular countable nouns. Singular countable nouns. Have you ever seen a girls? No, na? Always a girl. It is written everywhere. A child, a boy, not a boys. This is wrong because a and an can only be used with singular countable nouns. Whereas the definite article can be used with both singular and plural, countable or uncountable nouns. Okay? And it depends on the situation if we are pointing out to someone or not. Now I will tell you to place the. This is the rule of placing the. The is the definite article, and where do we put the? The is always placed before the word we are showing it to be particular, which is the name of a river. Not only river, but Ganga, Himalaya, then Delhi, the Kolkata, the shopper city. When we point out to some particular thing, some particular person, then we have to add the article. Okay? Now I am showing you some examples.